If you would like to make LEctennas for a class or for a larger group of students, the only two components that you really need are the LEDs. You can get these for about $7 on Amazon for 100. And then you'll also need the Schottky diodes. These ones are from DigiKey. It's the ST Microelectronics 1N5711. And you can get 100 of those with shipping for about $9. So if you use those, you can then twist them together. You can stick them inside a straw or something like that. These straw hat LEDs are nice and short, so they'll fit into a straw pretty easily. I like that they have the multiple colors because as you get farther away, the color actually changes from white to green to red. You can also just use an index card with tape. That will work as well if you already have those on hand. If you would like, you can definitely use test tubes, but it will add a little bit of cost. These are also available on Amazon for about $12 or $13 for 50. So if you want to get enough for 100, that'll be more like $25. And then if you want, you can get one of these network extenders. These are about $20 or so, although you can also probably use a router or Wi-Fi access spot or a phone that you already have on hand. I also will include in the comments some pictorial directions on how to make the LEctennas. And then if you want to put all of this stuff together in one place, you can get one of these boxes. This is also about 20 bucks, but we'll store 100 test tubes. You can put the Wi-Fi extender in there and an extension cord if you need it. And then you can keep all the LEDs and diodes and instructions in here. So if you do all this stuff, it definitely adds up. The only thing you really need are the Schottky diodes and the LEDs, and that'll set you back a little bit less than $20 for 100. Thanks for watching.